အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါရှင် Glory English Language Academy ကနေပြန်လည်ကြိုဆိုလိုက်ပါတယ်ဒီကနေ့ listening lesson မှာ telephone conversation တစ်ခုကိုနားထောင်ကြည့်ရအောင် Let's get started Listen to the telephone conversation between Jimmy and one of the apartment's owner Jimmy နဲ့တိုက်ခင်းပိုင်ရှင်တစ်ယောက်နဲ့ပြောကြတဲ့ telephone conversation တစ်ခုကိုနားထောင်မယ် Look at Jimmy plans for his visit and tick the things that are possible in the apartmentအလေဘက်အတွက် Jimmy ရဲ့ plan ကိုကြည့်မယ်ပြီးတော့တိုက်ခန်းမှာလုပ်လို့ရနိုင်တယ်ဆိုရင် tick လုပ်ပေးမယ် Put a cross next to the things that are not possible and write why လုပ်လို့မရနိုင်ဘူးဆိုရင် cross ထည့်ပြီးတော့ reason ပါရေးပေးရမယ်အရင်ဆုံး1 to 6 plan တွေကိုဖတ်ကြည့်ကြရအောင် 1 have lunch on the terrace မှာနေလေစာစားမယ် Number 2 cook dinner for 2 နှစ်ယောက်စာညနေစာချက်မယ် Number 3 go to Balata by bus Balata ကို bus ကားနဲ့သွားမယ် Number 4 come back from Balata by bus at 11 p.m. ည7:00 နာရီမှာ Balata ကနေ bus ကားနဲ့ပြန်လာမယ် Number 5 go to a restaurant near the apartment တိုက်ခန်းဘေးနားကစားသောက်ဆိုင်ကိုသွားမယ် Number 6 go swimming in the sea ပင်လယ်ထဲမှာရေသွားကူးမယ်ဒီအချက်တွေကိုလုပ်လို့ရမရ recording နားထောင်ကြည့်ရအောင်
Unit 4 Recording 2
Hi, it's Jamie.
Oh, hi. You got my email.
Yeah. Is it okay to talk now?
Yes, that's fine.
I've got 2 or 3 questions.
Go ahead.
So, there's a roof terrace.
Uh-huh.
So we can sit and enjoy the sun?
Yes, but it's very hot in the daytime. Very hot, but it's good for the evening.
Oh, to have dinner. That's good.
Yeah, there are chairs and a table on the terrace.
Right. There's no information about cooking. Is there a kitchen?
Yes. Oh, yes. You're welcome to use our kitchen anytime.
Oh, so we share the kitchen?
That's right. There isn't a separate kitchen.
Oh, okay. And you say Valletta is only 30 minutes away?
Yes. Well, maybe 40 minutes by bus.
Mm-hmm. And are there buses at night?
Well, there aren't any buses late at night.
I see.
But they're good in the daytime and the early evening.
Uh-huh. But there are lots of restaurants near the apartment, right?
Yeah, some really good Italian and Greek restaurants on the seafront.
Okay, great. Well, 2 minutes from the sea. That sounds amazing. Great for my morning swim.
Well, it's not really a swimming beach, but it's nice, the sea. We often walk there in the evening.
Oh, is there a good swimming beach somewhere?
Well, there's a swimming pool in a hotel about 10 minutes away. The name is...
This is the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye-bye.